Draw a triangle with side BC to be 6 cm, AB as 5 and angle ABC as 60 degree. Then construct a triangle with sides being 3 by 4 of the corresponding side of triangle ABC. Give justification of construction. So first thing is we have to look at the scale factor. So you need to understand, when I tell scale factor, what is that you need to understand. You need to have a good idea about this. So learn the basics and then do all the questions. Without the basics of the chapter, don't continue doing in the middle of the topic. Okay. Now the scale factor is 3 by 4. So the 3 indicates the new triangle is smaller than the old triangle, and this is A3 and this is A4. That would be your construction. So we have, the first thing is to draw the triangle itself. So first thing is 6 cm long length and then 60 degree from B. So this would be your B and that would be, say, C. So draw the 60 degree and then cut this at 5. That will give us A, and this would give us the required triangle. Now we have to replicate a triangle which is similar to this, which is 3/4 of the original triangle. So to do that, we draw an arc and construct we draw a line and construct 4 arcs over there which are equidistant, and this would be B4. So this is not A and, my bad, this is B3 and B4. So why B4? Because the maximum of 3 and 4 is B4. And then we need to join C to B4, again determined by the denominator. And from B3 we need to draw a line parallel to CB4. So this is B3. So these two lines are parallel. And end of it, you need to draw a line parallel to AC. This is C dash AC. This is A dash C. So this is our basic idea of the construction. Okay. So let's see how to draw 60 degree and everything else on a sheet of paper. So we are looking at a line which is already drawn, and I have taken the initial point. So now all I have to do is take the base as BC, 6 cm, because we have the angle B. Remember, I hope you guys remember all of these constructions. If not, it's going to be difficult. So since we know the angle B, so we're going to draw anything that has B. So, and BC is also longer, so we'll go with BC being 6 cm. And then drawing the 60 degree is quite simple. Draw an arc of any radius without changing the radius. Where the arc intersects the line, from that point cut one more arc. And this would give 60 degree. That's it. That is supposed to be 5 cm, but we can just draw a longer line so that we can cut 5 cm using the compass. So we can see that is 5 cm. So that would be your A and that would be your C. And that's AC. So the construction of the triangle is done. If any confusion with drawing 60 degree and all of this, 90 degree and all of this, you need to learn the basics. Now it's to draw. I'm just showing you the verification. That's 60 degree, right? And now drawing a line, making an acute angle with BC. So it's just 4 arcs, so a decent long line is enough. I mean, not too long, a decently long. So even though it is just 4, try to draw arcs which are considerably big. Whatever I'm drawing now is decent. A bit bigger would help. A bit, I think. This is minimum. Don't draw smaller than this. And now you need to join B4, which is determined by your denominator, to C. And we need to draw a line which is parallel to this. So you guys know how to draw a parallel line. It's all about angles, replicating an angle. So for that we are drawing an arc from B4, from where we need to copy the angle. Then putting the same at B3. Measuring those 2 points. It's point 1 and 2. So from point 3, whatever the length of point 1 and 2 is, distance between them. So from point 3, cut an arc. So that would give us the required set of points to draw a parallel line. So that would be your parallel line. Done? Okay, now it is C dash to A dash, a line parallel to AC. So that would be an angle replication from C dash at C dash from C. Whatever is there at angle C has to be replicated at C dash. So after post drawing the arcs, measure the tiny angle, the tiny arc length. Not arc length exactly, but the distance between those 2 points. And cut another arc. And you can see we will get a parallel line. Does it look like one? Can't make out from this side. No, can't make out. Okay, so we can see, if I keep it right, yes, we have a parallel line. That's it. So parallel line is the one which is difficult, to be frank. Everything else is a bit of here and there, bit of mistake is okay, but construction, this parallel line, if you make a mistake, it will pop out. It's very much visible that those 2 lines are not parallel if you don't do it right. So steps of construction. So I have added an extra step. So please have a look at that. So I spoke about the length BC being constructed and angle P being 60 degree and marking an 5 centimeter long line to get ABC. And joining all of this will give us a triangle. And then the second step would be this. So draw a ray BX. So that would be BX. Make an acute angle with BC, so on and so forth. Locate 4 points because the numerator and denominator has the maximum number that is 4. So B1 to B4 has to be marked. So that would be B1, B2, B3 and B4. Next is join B4C. Why B4? It is determined by the denominator. And draw a line through B3. Why B3? It is determined by numerator. Parallel to B4C, intersecting BC at C dash. So that would be C dash. Draw a line through C dash parallel to CA, intersecting this at A dash. And thus we have the required parallel lines. And now the justification. So first thing is, let me paste it. This is not to be drawn again. It's only for us to refer and write down. Consider triangle BC-B4. So C dash B3 is parallel to B4C. So here we are trying to get the ratio that, one of the sides of these two triangles, not one of the side ratios of triangle ABC and A dash B C dash are of the ratio 3:4. So that's our first agenda. We do that using BPT. So since we have these two lines to be parallel, so B4 divided by B3 will be equal to BC by, oh sorry, this is not the one. Actually, even this is BPT. So we have BB3 by B3 B4, which is equal to BC dash by C dash C, which in turn is equal to 3 by 1. Why 3 by 1? B to B3 is 3 and B3 to B4 is 1. So 3 by 1. Then consider only BC dash by CC dash, which is equal to 3 by 1. This is what we have to work with. So we'll take the reciprocal. Taking reciprocal, so we get C dash C by BC dash, which is equal to 3 by 1. Then we add 1 on both sides. So we get C dash C by BC dash plus 1 is equal to 3 by 1 plus 1. Oh, my bad. This would be 1 by 3, right? I missed that. 1 by 3. Now taking the LCM, we will get BC dash plus C dash C. So what is BC dash plus C dash C? That would be BC divided by BC dash is equal to 4 by 1. 4 by 3 actually. That would be first term. Now consider triangle ABC and A dash B C dash. So we have A dash C dash, which is parallel to AC. So once we have the one of the sides to be equal to the given required ratio, then we need to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dash B C dash. So we do that by telling these two lines are parallel. Since those two lines are parallel, these two triangles are similar. How? With the help of AA similarity criteria. And so since the triangles are similar, the ratios of the corresponding sides will be equal. Right, I just have to write this. And from 1, we have all of this to be equal to 4 by 3. And that's enough. This is from first equation and CPST. So this would be your justification. So this is important. Figuring out what should go where. Steps of construction. Try to keep it minimum. All this writing part. Don't forget to label. And justification. Don't draw this. And try to keep this also minimal. Please enroll to our program at chalkpieceacademy.com, wherein we'll be teaching you a lot more tricks for faster simplification and calculation, DIY projects. We'll code with Python. We'll work with Arduino Uno. There are a lot more magic tricks and the physics behind it. They are printable materials which will help you recap and understand things better. We'll have live revision and doubt session 2 months before your term exams. It's very cost effective. There would be no ads or any kind of distractions, and we have a dedicated app to help you guys with this.